In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block internet access for specific apps on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, you will see the cellular option. Go to cellular options. If you scroll down, you will see the apps that have access to your cellular data. Now if you scroll down a bit more, you will see all of these apps. Now just toggle these buttons off for the apps that you don't want the internet access to. If you want the apps to use cellular data again in the future, you can just go to settings, go to cellular and scroll down a bit and toggle this button on. Now after you do this, the apps that you've toggled the button off will stop using the internet access, and this will also save you a lot of data. So that is how you do it, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.